Hi, I'm Murdo, paint expert from Resene. This is my masking tape hack, how to get perfect straight lines. One way to ensure you get crisp straight lines when masking off with masking tape is to paint the color off the wall that you're masking onto first before you go on with your feature color. What this does, it bleeds through underneath the tape, gets that familiar sawtooth pattern that you see, seals the edge, so when you paint on with your feature color and take off the tape, you end up with a perfectly sharp line. The bleed through in the masking tape occurs because the texture on your wall often has an orange peel stipple texture. When you put masking tape on and you paint on top, the paint invariably bleeds under the holes where the orange peel stipple is. By painting with the existing color first, it seals the holes and gives you a perfect straight line. If you do it this way, you can end up with lines so sharp, it'll cut your eyes even looking at it.